So, we have a problem to tackle in this scenario. Our goal is to automate the creation of a clipping boundary for an image in Autocad using specific coordinates. The issue lies in properly utilizing the ClipBoundary parameter to achieve this task. The provided script attempts to apply the ClipBoundary with a set of points, but it seems we are missing something crucial here. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. In the initial script shared, the assignment of the points to the ClipBoundary parameter is incorrect. The line pre-class equals lang py prettyprint over I cutaraster dot ClipBoundary equals points go deeper doesn't align with the correct approach for invoking the ClipBoundary method. To rectify this, we should invoke the ClipBoundary method with the points parameter, like so. Pre-class equals lang py prettyprint over I cutaraster dot ClipBoundary points copre. This adjustment ensures the proper application of the clipping boundary to the image in Autocad. Moving forward with the solution, it's essential to understand the significance of invoking the ClipBoundary method correctly. By making this adjustment and invoking the method with the points parameter, we enable the script to effectively apply the desired clipping boundary to the image in Autocad. This method invocation is a crucial step in ensuring the automation of the clipping process with the specified coordinates. In conclusion, by correctly invoking the ClipBoundary method with the points parameter, we can automate the creation of a clipping boundary for an image in Autocad using predefined coordinates. This adjustment ensures that the script functions as intended, enabling a seamless process of applying clipping boundaries to images. With this solution in place, you can streamline the workflow and enhance efficiency in Autocad. Remember, precision in method invocation is key to achieving automation success. Well, that wraps up our exploration of automating clipping boundaries in Autocad. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And as always, keep scripting and automating with a touch of creativity.